Good day to everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. On this tutorial, I'll be taking you through on how to use a guided loft to the bus and base. Okay, so quickly let's just head over to start our drawing. Okay, so this is quite easy if you've been following up from the previous tutorial, which I believe you've been uh, following up. Otherwise, you have to go and then look at it again. Okay, so you're able to catch up. And please don't forget to subscribe and then share to your friends and people you may love to learn this engineering tool. Okay, so this basically used for guiding your lofted bus and base. Okay, so let me just show you how it works. Okay, so let's assume we want to sketch a mountain. All right. Okay, so first of all, we sketch on a top plane. You may choose any other plane. Okay, so I just want to use this top plane. Okay, let's just make it should we give it, okay, let's give it a circular base. Oh, okay, let's just give it a rectangular base. All right, so okay, so that's our base, and then let's put a center line on it. You may as well put a center line here. All right, so let's exit the sketch and then add some other plane to it, and then just make it. This is a reference plane. Let's add up 3 planes. Oh, okay. So making a total of 4 planes. Okay. All right. So that is that. So we sketch on this plane. Yeah. So first of all, make it normal, and then let's sketch the circle on that plane. All right, and the circle we give it a center line, and also give it a center line here. All right, so all right, having done that, let's just move over to the next plane. Next plane, let's sketch. And next plane we sketch here. Sketch here. Okay, so yeah, we're watching that for a second plane. So on the last plane, let's just go ahead and sketch. Oh no, on the last, yes, make it similarly normal and then okay, so we got that. So let's just exit the sketch and then let's sketch on our front plane. Yeah. Before then, let's make this normal and then let's convert entities. So to do that, we need to highlight the first plane. Take this is a alright. So let's convert all the entities. It's supposed to convert all the entities. So let me try it again. No. All right. Convert it is. Okay. Okay. Right. So we've converted all our entities, and then let's exit the sketch now. Okay. So read about to us. Line two. Okay. So all right. So let's move to our lofted exit sketch face, and then go to the futures, and then click on your lofted boss, and then you begin to add the blends, the blends. All right. So this is our lofted boss and base. Okay. So this is a guided curve. Okay, but you notice that there's a space. This is a guide. This is our guided curve. All right. This is a guided curve. A guide curve. Okay. So, but it's actually guiding us, but it's still there's still spaces left. So what you do, you come here and click on the guide curves, and then you click on it, and you click on this. Right. So you see that it has shifted and then covered up for the empty space you saw there. Right. So then that should be all for. Is there any place? There's no other space again. So we got all this covered. Okay, there's still space here. All right. So we're good. All right. So that is our guide curve usage for lofted base and bows. All right, so and you want to be nasty, you can just go ahead and click and then put some stuff here. Let's assume this is a mountain and this way the volcanic eruption occurs. Okay, so and of course we do extrude cut that point down to some level of which the eruption occurs from. So that's that. That is that. Right, quite beautiful. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. So this is where we stop on how to use the guide code for Lofted Boss and Bass. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.